Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where every single day I show you how to draw something. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the spooky character Screech from Roblox Doors. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a like, maybe comment, and let me know something you would like to learn how to draw, or maybe something you would like to see me draw. And please feel free to subscribe if you're new here. Stick around for all our daily doodles. So to start drawing Screech, let's do 2 circles for eyes. So 1 and 2. And the next thing I'm going to do kind of an ooey gooey kind of line here. So I went down, came on up, just like all kinds of like oohs. It doesn't have to totally match mine. Okay, so next let's do a rounded shape here. Like that. So it's almost like a big wide mouth, but we're actually going to do a mouth here inside this shape. So it's gonna be like a great big smile. So I'm gonna start right here and then kind of go underneath some of these ooze bits. And now I'm gonna come along like this. So this here is going to be kind of like the gums of the smile. And let's do the bottom part here now. Nice and big. Like that. And now let's start with 2 big front teeth. 1, 2. So he's looking pretty silly right now, but let's keep going. Just like little chiclets. And don't forget those bottom teeth. Like that. And now let's curve up here. And we're kind of gonna branch out here. So I did this kind of a silly little line, and we're gonna come on back. Almost looks like a great big horn right now. And let's do another one. And these don't have to be exactly like what I'm doing. They can be like a different, maybe going in a different direction. It's up to you. So I'm gonna come on down a little bit with a rounded shape. Same on this side too. And I'm gonna go this way. And come on up. Kind of like tentacles. On this side, I'll go this way. So now let's do 2 more. Another little curve line here. And 1 more of those tentacle kind of things. And a little line here. Connect it all. All right, so we are done our sketch, and now I'm gonna get started with coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished drawing our spooky Screech. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Hope you have the very best day ever, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever our next drawing is going to be. All right, everyone, goodbye.